Are you intrigued by the prospect of working in the United States? Ever wondered how to navigate the process of securing a work visa? You're in the right place. The first step in your journey is to understand the type of work visa you need. The United States offers several types of work visas, each tailored to different professional circumstances. H-1B visas are for individuals in specialty occupations. L-1 visas are for intra-company transferees. O visas are for individuals with extraordinary ability or achievement, and the list goes on. Your unique professional situation will determine the type of work visa you need. Once you've identified the right visa, you need to secure a job offer from a U.S. employer. This employer must be willing to act as your sponsor for the visa application. This is a crucial step, as without a job offer, it's impossible to proceed with the visa application. The third step involves your employer. They must file a petition with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, also known as USCIS. This petition is essentially a request to the USCIS, asking them to allow you to apply for a visa. Next, once the USCIS approves the petition, you can apply for the visa. This involves filling out an application form, paying the visa fee, and scheduling a visa interview. The application form is detailed, so ensure you provide accurate information and double-check all entries. The fifth step is the visa interview. This takes place at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Here, a consular officer will ask you various questions to determine your eligibility for the visa. Honesty and preparedness are key during this interview. Once you've successfully completed the interview, the final step is to wait. The U.S. Embassy or consulate will process your application. If approved, they will issue your work visa. It's important to note that the processing times can vary, so patience is necessary. To recap, here's the process you'll need to follow to apply for a U.S. work visa. 1. Determine the type of visa you need. 1. Secure a job offer from a U.S. employer. 1. Have your employer file a petition with the USCIS. 1. Apply for the visa once the USCIS approves the petition. 1. Attend the visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. 1. Wait for the application to be processed and the visa to be issued. Remember, each step is vital and skipping any could jeopardize your chances of securing the visa. A work visa is your ticket to working in the U.S., and it's worth the effort to obtain one. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate the U.S. work visa application process. It may seem daunting, but with careful preparation and patience, you can make your dream of working in the U.S. a reality. Good luck on your journey.